If you had a car, you could pick me up in Colorado. We could have an adventure. You know, the two of us.
You'd want that?
How far would you go for the girl you've always wanted?
Sexy choice. Vintage 1971.
How much would you do for a brother in need?
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
You.
I'll drop him off in Denver. I'll see you tomorrow.
Breaker 19.
This is like a prehistoric internet or something. Can you do a woman's voice?
How much fun could you have?
Hey there, this is Candy Cane. Who's this?
Rusty Nail.
If I were there, Rusty Nail, I'd make you feel good.
It's turning me on.
When the joke
I'll be at the Lone Star Motel.
What room?
Room 17. I can't wait.
This is awesome!
is now on you.
Who the hell is it?
We had a little incident here last night. The victim was staying in room 17.
What happened to him?
Ripped his jaw clean off.
This fall,
Are you guys ready for an adventure or what?
everything you say
Candy cane.
We saw what you did to that guy. You pathetic, lonely freak show.
will come back to haunt you.
You really should get that fixed.
Get what fixed?
That tail light.
Everything you see is going to terrify you. And everything you hear
Who's the pretty girl?
He's watching us!
is going to drive you over the edge.
Now leave it alone! Please! We'll do whatever you want!
I want you to head inside naked. So how does it feel to be the freak in the room?
Hey, we're sorry!
Why'd you do it?
This is for fun, just for a laugh.
You don't feel like getting together in a motel later. Room 17. Do not be 1 minute late.
Don't open the door! Don't open the door!
So you still good, or need me to drive?